Good morning, students. Welcome to our civics online session. Yes, yesterday we have learned more about the preamble. In that, we have learned sovereign state, socialist state, yes, democratic state, and republic. So, today we are going to learn more about the values or the objectives of the constitution. Yes, students. Can anyone tell me what is a preamble? Yesterday we have learned. Yes, students, you can answer in the chat box. Yes, Suhani, very nice beta. That is preface. Yes, Muskan. Introduction. Yes. Preface means the introduction. Preface of a Indian constitution is called the preamble. Very nice, dear students. Yes. And what is a sovereign state? Yes, Alkas. Very nice, beta. Independent. Yes. When we got the freedom? Yes, students. Yes, on 15 August. Very nice, Shifa. Very good, Pooja. Yes. Very nice, everyone. Yes. So, now today we are going to learn more about the values. So, for that, everyone has to look at the screen. Yes, students, look at your screen and listen carefully. Yes, students, our three values. These are the very important values. Just look at your screen. First one is justice, liberty, and equality. Now, what is a justice? Justice means the fair treatment of the people. It means we are giving the fair treatment to all the people. Okay, students? Liberty. Liberty means freedom. Yes. Equality. Equality means the situation in which everyone has the same rights and advantages. It means all are the same, men or women or any caste people, any religion people. Yes, unity. It's just like a unity. That is equality. Got it, students? These are our three values. So we are going to learn these three values in a detail. So now let us understand these values. Yes. See our next screen? Yes, Arman. Our first justice is social justice. Now, justice is having three types. Yes, look at your screen. Yes, next screen about our justice. There is a three type of justice. Social justice. Yes, students, social justice, economic justice, and political justice. So first, we will learn more about the social justice. Social. Social means what? Related to the society, related to the people. So, in this justice, there should be no discrimination among the individuals on the basis of caste, creed, race, language, religion, place of birth, or a sex. So, now what is discrimination, students? Listen carefully. Discrimination means treating a one person or a group worse than the others. It means we are treating them as a worse. They are not good. They are bad on the basis of their caste. The first thing is caste. After that, creed. Creed is a set of beliefs or the principle. Okay, dear students. What is the meaning of creed? Yes, Suhani. Set of beliefs or the principles. Yes, every religion or every caste is having some principle or some beliefs. That is a creed. Yes, Wajid. And the third thing is race. Race means some people are black, some are white, like that. A group of people who have a differences and similarities in biological traits. So I have tell you, some are very heighted, some are very short. This is the race. Yes, students. So this is all about our social justice. So there is no discrimination related to which points? Repeat after me. That is caste, creed, race, language, region, and place of birth or a sex. Yes, you can answer me in the chat box. Very good, Rohit. Yes, Tofik. Very nice, beta. Sex means male and female. So there will be a no discrimination among the men and women. Yes, students. Very nice. So now second one is economic justice. Our second justice is economic justice. Yes. Look at your screen. This is all about our economic justice. What do you see in this picture, student? Yes, Seema, economic justice. Very nice. Yes, stop is written. Very good. Just give me the answer in the chat box. Yes, very good topic. Yes, help me. So, yes, this picture is about our poverty. Yes, poverty. Poverty leads to the evils of hunger. Yes, these boys is look like a malnourishment. Yes, students. So this is a economic justice picture. See the next screen. Now, economic justice. Poverty leads to the evils of hunger, yes, malnourishment. Malnourishment means lack of proper nutrition caused by not having enough to eat. It means they are not getting the sufficient food. It is called as a malnourishment. Yes, students. If a poverty is to be eradicate means to destroy. We have to destroy this poverty from our country. Yes, Shagun. Everyone should have the right to a source of livelihood so as to look after oneself and one's family. Our constitution has given the right to every citizen without any discrimination. Yes, so this is about our economic justice. In this, the poverty is the main point. Okay, students? Yes, that is poor people. Yes, very good, students. So our third justice is political justice. Look at your screen. Here you can see the picture of political justice. So can you tell me what is written in the picture? Yes, Tawfiq. Adopt. Yes. Liberty. Yes. Integrity. Very nice. Socialist. Sovereign. Yes. Very nice, students. So all these things are comes under our political justice. Yes. So let us learn political justice. See the next screen. Yes, Suhani. Equality. See, political justice. We have adopted universal adult franchise. Franchise means what? Can anyone knows the meaning of franchise? Okay, listen carefully. The right to vote in the elections. Meaning of franchise means what? The right to vote. We can vote in the elections when we turn to the 18 years. Yes, right to vote. The meaning of franchise. Yes, we have adapted universal adult franchise to enable equal participation in the running of the country. Accordingly, all citizens completing 18 years of age have the right to vote in the elections. What is the age criteria? Very nice. The age criteria is 18. Yes, Bushra. Very good, beta. 18 years. So, this is about our justice. So, tell me, how many justices are there? Yes, Alkas? Yes, very nice. Three justices are there. Can anyone tell me which are they? Yes, Alisha. Very good, beta. Yes, Rohit. Yes, first one is our social justice, then economic justice, and then political justice. Very nice, students. Very good, everyone. Yes. So now our second value, that is liberty. Come to the next screen. Everyone just look at the picture. Yes. Can anyone tell me what do you see in this picture? Yes, Rubina. Yes, Tawfiq. Yes, the man is speaking something. Yes. So this comes under our liberty. Liberty means freedom. What is the meaning of liberty? Yes, Shifa. One man is there and giving a speech. Very nice, students. Very good, Muskan. Yes, Rajnandani. Very nice, beta. Yes. Liberty means freedom. So, in a democracy, citizens enjoy the liberty. Here you can see the man is enjoying the freedom of speech. In fact, democracy becomes mature only if the citizens enjoy the freedom. It means when we are getting the freedom, we can express ourselves. Yes, Suhani. Very nice. Look at the second picture. Here also you can see what is happening in this picture, students. Yes, they are getting the freedom. Yes, but what they are doing? They are doing some discussions. Yes, or talking. Yes, they are pointing also. Yes, discussion, talking. Yes, students. It means we are getting the right of freedom of thought and expression is the most fundamental freedom for an individual. Everyone is free to express their own views and opinions. They are expressing their views and opinions. Here you can see that the man is something talking, the second man is also saying something. It means they are discussing, they are having their own opinions. Yes, students. A give and take of ideas enhance the spirit of cooperation and unity among us. So, this leads to the cooperation and the unity. Yes, Arma. Very nice. Similarly, it also enables us to understand the various dimensions of any problem. So, after discussion, after expressing the views, they are understanding the problems also. So, this is about our liberty. So, liberty means freedom. Yes, students, we can express our views, thought, we can do the discussions, talking, and everything. Yes, very nice, students. In the liberty of belief, faith, worship implies religion freedom also. Every Indian citizen is free to act per as the teachings of their religion or the religion of their choices. Yes or no? We are adopting our own religion. Can anyone tell me the various religions? Yes, students, we all are following our own religions. Yes, Buddha, Hindu religion. Yes, Rajnandani. Very nice. Yes, Muslim religion, Christian religion, Islam religion. So we all are following our own religion. It implies the freedom of celebrating the festivals and the freedom of faith and worship. We all are celebrating the various festivals of various religions. Yes, so this is our liberty. Understood, students? What is a liberty? Yes. So now come to the next screen. Here we have finished the liberty point. Now look at the screen. Objectives of the Constitution, or we can call it as a values. We have completed our justice and liberty. Now let us learn about the equality. Yes, before going to the equality, please tell me what is liberty, students? Yes, Suhani. Yes, freedom. Yes, Muskan. Very good, beta. That is freedom. So, which freedom we are getting? Yes, Arman. Freedom of what? Yes, very good. Religion freedom. Yes, very nice, beta. Free to talk. Yes. Expressing our views, own thoughts. Very nice, beta. Yes, Shagun. Yes. Well done, everyone. Just give a Zoom clap for all of you. Very nice, students. So this is about our liberty. So now let us learn equality. Here you can see the various pictures of man and women's. Yes, because it is about our equality. Equality means there will be a no difference between men and women. Yes, Shifa, equality. Okay. So now see the next screen. Yes, equality. Yes, can anyone tell me which Whose picture is there in the screen? Yes, right to equality. And the photograph of Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar. Yes, he wrote our constitution. Who wrote our constitution? Yes, Shubham. Very nice, beta. Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar. Yes, Bushra. Very nice, beta. The preamble guarantees the Indian citizens an equality of status and opportunity. Yes, Pooja. Very nice, beta. It means that all have a equal human status and there will be a no discrimination on the basis of caste, creed, race, sex, place of birth, and etc. Again, we are coming to the point of equality, which is related to the, yes, Shifa, caste, creed. Yes, what is the creed? I have explained you earlier. Creed means what? Yes, caste is different. Yes, students, creed means set of beliefs or the principle. Yes, our religion is having some principles or some beliefs. We can call it as Shraddha, Andhashraddha. Yes, that is the creed. Yes, students, principles. Very good. The guarantee of equal status means not to discriminate between people in terms of high and low. It means we cannot say that this is a poor people, this is a rich people, like that. Or sometimes we are saying, he is not have, he is a black people, he is a white people. So there will be a no discrimination like this. We all are equal. The preamble has given great importance to equality of opportunity as well. All will get the opportunities for development without any discrimination. So now in our country, everyone is getting the same opportunity. So we should not discriminate the people according to the caste, creed, sex, place of birth, or etc. Yes, students, understood about the equality? Yes, very good, Vaji. Very nice, everyone. So this is our equality, right to equality. Yes, next thing we have to learn about the fraternity. Yes, look at the screen, students. Yes, Ganita. Everyone, look at your screen. Yes, what do you see in the picture? Yes, preamble. Okay. Hands. Very good, Shagun. Very good, Alisha. Our national symbol is also there. Yes. Very good, Seema. So it means, see that all are holding everyone's hands. So that is the feeling of fraternity. Okay, students? This is called the fraternity. So let us learn more about our fraternity. Fraternity implies a we feeling towards the another. We feeling means we all are one, we all are together. That is called we feeling. That is our fraternity. Yes, Shubham, very nice. More understanding to each other. Very good. It creates a feeling of empathy So empathy means what? The ability to imagine how another person is feeling and understanding his or her mood. Empathy means what? We have to imagine what the another person is thinking or what the another person is having the feeling. That is called empathy. It means to have the empathy towards the other people. So this is related to the fraternity. Yes, Shifa. People become more understanding towards each other problems and needs. It means we have to understand everyone's problem, everyone thinking, and their needs also. Fraternity is closely related to the human dignity. Dignity means respect. What is the meaning of dignity? We have to give the respect to each and every people. Yes, very nice topic, Suhani. Human dignity implies equal respect to each individual. As a human being, it does not depend on the criteria of, again we come to the criteria, that is the same criteria: caste, creed, race, sex, language, religion, etc. In the next picture, you can see that the religions. We should not, yes. Look at the screen, students. Yes. What do you see in this picture, students? Yes, Shreya. Yes, religion, Muslim religion. Yes, caste and creed. Oh, yes, religions are there. Yes, students. All other, all the religions are here. So we should not, it does not depend upon the criteria of caste, creed, race, sex, language, and etc. Just as we would like to be treated with the dignity and respect by others, we have to respect each woman, each man, and any people. We should also treat others with the same dignity and respect. It means कौन से भी religion का हो, कौन से भी caste का हो, we have to treat as a same. We have to give them a respect. Yes, Shifa. That is our equality, or we can call it as a fraternity. Fraternity means we feeling. It means we all are one and we have to understand each and everyone's problem. That is fraternity. Yes, students? Yes. Can anyone tell me what is fraternity? There is a one word, that is we feeling. Yes, Tawfiq. We have to give the respect. Yes, very nice. Very good, Bushra. Yes, fraternity means we feeling. When every individual respects another and honors their freedom and rights, dignity of the individual will get established. In such atmosphere, fraternity will grow automatically. The task of bringing about a new society based on the values of justice, equality will be facilitated. When we are giving a respect to each and everyone, when we are understanding the problems of each and everyone, automatically there will be the increase of fraternity. Okay, students? So what we have to do? We have to respect every religion, every caste, and we have to respect the human being. And we have to understand their problems. We have to understand their needs also. Yes, Shagun. Very nice, beta. The preamble to the Constitution of India guides us to this very goal. So, here we have learned about the justice, liberty, equality, and fraternity. I hope you all have understood what we have learned today. So, let us see our summary, what we have learned today. Yes, students. First, we have learned about the justice. How many types of justice are there? Yes, Tawfiq? Three. Very nice. Which are they? Tell me the names of justice. Yes, Suhani. Economic, social, very nice, and political. Very good, students. So, tell me, what is social? Social means what? What we have learned in social justice? We have to give respect to all. Yes, about the creed. Very nice. Yes, we have to give a respect. There should be a no discrimination among the people on the basis of, yes, Shifa, sex, caste, creed. Very nice, students. And the second thing we have learned, economic justice. Economic means what? Related to the poor and rich people. In that, we have learned about the poverty. Yes. And political justice means everyone is having the right to vote in the elections. Yes. Very nice, students. And the second value we have learned, that is liberty. So can anyone tell me what we have learned in liberty? Liberty means what, Wajid? Yes, Saria. Freedom. Very nice. So which freedoms we have got? Freedom of what? Yes, freedom of speech, freedom of express. Yes, religion, talking. Yes, students. Very nice. So we can express our feelings to the others. That freedom we have got. Very nice topic. And the third one we have learned, that is equality. So now again, equality means what? To treat every people as a equal. So again, there will be a discrimination. No discrimination related to the religion. Yes, students. Yes, Isha. Unity should be there. Very nice. We have to respect the people. Yes, every caste people, every creed people. Yes, very nice, students. So this is about our equality. And the last part, fraternity. What is the meaning of fraternity? Yes, Bushra. Yes, Muskan. Unity. There is a one word I have told you all. Fraternity means we feeling. We all are one. And there should be a empathy. What is the meaning of empathy, students? Yes. Yes, feeling. Very good. You are closely to the answer. Empathy means what? Yes, the ability to imagine how another person is feeling and understanding his or her mood. We have to understand the another person and we have to know his or her mood. That is called empathy. and according to that, we can talk with them or we can solve their problems. That is empathy. So it leads to the fraternity. Okay, students? Yes. So now look at your assessment now. A very simple questions are here. Your assessment. Look at your screen. Yes. Explain following concepts. You have to explain the following concept. The first one is justice. Second one is fraternity. And the third one is equality. Everyone has to write down your answers in your civics notebook. Okay, so this is your assessment. You can take a screenshot or I will send you in our WhatsApp group. So don't worry about that. So now give me a orally answers in your chat box. What is a justice? Yes, Shagun, what is justice? Yes, three types of justice. Very good, Alkas. Very nice, beta. Yes. Tell me that three types. Very good. Economic. Yes. Social. Very good. Very nice. Social, economic, and political justice. So you have to explain this concept in one line each. Okay, students? Yes, Muskan. Very nice, beta. Wonderful. Yes, Bushra. So now second question is fraternity. What is fraternity? Yes. Fraternity means we feeling. We have to respect. Yes, Suhani. Very nice, beta. So you have to explain this concept and you have to write down in your notebook. And the last one is equality. Yes, Tawfiq. Equality means what? Yes, give the same opportunity to all. Very good, student. There should be a no discrimination among the related to the caste, creed, race, sex, etc. Yes, right to equality. Very nice, Shifa. Very good, dear students. I hope everyone has understood about the values, or we can call it as a objectives of the constitution. So here we have completed our second lesson, that is preamble to the constitutions. Okay, dear students.